یہ جلسہ ہمارا یہ دن برکتوں کے خدا کی نایات.
Harry and Ed, thank you for joining us today and welcome to Jalsa Salana. How's your day going?
It's been absolutely amazing, to be honest. So I've been here since probably about 9 o'clock this morning, and we've had the stall open the entire time, and everyone's just so welcoming and lovely. And also food is incredible. I've been offered food God knows how many times.
It's been absolutely great. It's been wonderful. It's been so nice to come and meet everyone and talk about policing and our passions and what we want to do within Surrey and be representative of our force. It's been great.
I think it's important to have some engagement with your community, and whilst we're driving around in fast cars and blue lights might look really action-packed, you don't get a chance to talk to people about what it is we do. We're always rushing around, no one gets that opportunity. So it's great to have these stalls here so people get a chance to ask us about questions. We have questions about the cars, what the lights mean, when people are getting pulled over, all these sort of questions that people don't get a chance to answer or ask. We get to stand here and have a chat with people all day, which has been brilliant, and we're going to be here all weekend long.
Great. I saw so many kids around you asking different questions.
Yeah.
What was the question they've been asking you the most?
Main question is how fast can you drive in your police car? Which I said quite fast.
I see police wearing these jackets, but putting it on, it's much heavier than I thought. Yeah. So you've got to carry this around quite a lot, and the hat is quite big for me. So, but it's really fun, and I feel really good.
Great. Okay. So our tutorial, how to drive a police car.
Fantastic. So we've got this extra module here that you wouldn't find in normal cars. Okay, so we've got various different lights controls on here. So we've got alley lights. So if you look on the top here, you'll see you've got what looks like a headlight on it. So we control those right and the left. We've got the rear red lights, which we might use for traffic collisions. So we want people to be aware from behind that the car stops completely. It's a bit more effective than our hazard lights. We've got 999 lights there. So that's the blues we put on when we're actually responding to something. And obviously that's when people want to get out of the way, that sort of thing, or we're trying to pull a car over, that sort of thing.
یہ جلسہ ہمارا یہ دن برکتوں کے خدا کی عنایات اور شفقتوں کے یہ جلسہ ہمارا